You roll a day. I always wanted to be the best. I wouldn't hustle to be less.
We're at Malika, guys. Go ahead. Santi.
I think we're up there though. I don't know where we're going. Oh yeah, Asante, Hamdi. You have to swim. They have little.
Asante for what? I'm not doing it. I did not bring anything to enter water in.
Oh, hey Sarah. Oh, that's really I'm telling them I'm coming back on the 23rd. I'm like, oh, sorry, you can't make it. No, I have to be back on campus on the 23rd.
I wouldn't hustle to be less when I can take you to the moon. If you don't know tonight, oh, in my rocket we could go tonight. Call up made for two to ride. Choose you with the qualify. Can't be yours if you ain't mine. I think you're the solo type. Also think I'm what you like. Fastest way to lose your life. Don't believe me, roll the dice. Hey you.
Did I ruin it?
Not really. Hey guys, so as you can see by the state of my hair, it needs to get done. So I am currently on my way to get my hair done with my girl Salome. Say hi, Salome.
How are you?
So yeah, we're on our way to the hairdresser now. I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully I like it. Those who know me very well know me and hair are just, I'm very picky and I'm always complaining about my hair, so fingers crossed. What day is it today?
Sunday.
What's the date? I haven't given you guys any dates. Like, okay, it's July
7th.
7th.
Yeah.
July 7th, 2019.
Yes.
All right. See you guys
it's
later.
It's a Tanzanian public holiday.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. But it's on
Today's
a
also
freaking
a
Sunday.
public holiday. What's the holiday?
Saba Saba. It's like a expo edition Tanzanian stuff, like for business entrepreneur people.
Cool.
Yeah.
You guys learned something new today.
Dar.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We're not in Dar, we're in Mwanza.
Yeah. If it was a weekday, we'd be at home chilling, enjoying the sun somewhere over the lake.
Oh, man.
But it's a Sunday. Oh well.
Oh, well. All right, guys. We'll see you soon.
There's us.
You think you know the kids since you're privy to all the dirt I did. I say no to myself as long as I know God is glorified. Then I'm up. All your moving out of pocket. How I knew you wasn't gang.
Nashukuru sana kwa kwetu kamanda Muslim ambaye ni mkuu wa kitengo cha usalama barabarani hapa nchini. Kweli hili ni pigo kubwa tena sana ya hamasa.
Those dollars.
Where did you come from? I wanna know. The way that you're moving, it's hard to move on. I can't help but feel what I feel for you, baby. I know we just met, but I hope you understand.
Oh, can you look the bill? Oh, thanks guys.
Keep going.
Oh, you missed it. Oh, you messed it up.
Do you guys remember what this place is called? Pardon? Tunza. That's where we are.
Karibu Sana.
Okay, Karibu Sana.
Like it just to keep you on a chain. I got moves in the safe. You should move out the way before I run up with the gang on some shawty at your man.
I am out at Copenhagen with Salome. We're doing early birthday celebrations because she is leaving. We went for a movie, went to go watch Toy Story, which was awesome. And yeah, now we're eating pizza at Copenhagen to celebrate my birthday, which is on Sunday, and Salome going to the States for 1,000 years, and we're not gonna see her again. So it's just a goodbye, a last minute chillings and goodbyes. Bye. Yes.
I solved the problem for you.
What is it?
Piga.
So we're doing our Swahili homework, our homework from our Swahili lessons. We learned about time. Oh my gosh, this quality is terrible. I'm so sorry, guys. Anyways, it's late. I'm tired. My eyes hurt. Megan's annoying me. We don't know how to say brush your teeth, and she's supposed to be searching it up. And
I told her 5 times.
What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
I just told you. Piga. I'm Swaki.
Whatever. That's what we're gonna write down. Take my handy dandy book here. Okay guys, bye. I just want you to know that we're doing our homework and I'm tired.
I'm so mad.
Someone was singing Old Town Road and I'm asking her to finish because in the process, you dropped some things. Where do you have your horses, Kendra? Your horses are where? In the back. Pole, cumin. She dropped the cumin powder on the floor. I don't even know where our broom is. No, that ain't it. That ain't it. Kendra, no. Okay. 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 Just why? Kendra, it's not working. Look at her slippers. Look at that slipper.
What's happening?
Polly. Is this one Simba?
The big one.
This one is Simba.
Hello. Hello, wait, what's poking me out?
Oh, it's the thing.
I don't have pants. Hi. Can you say hi to your friend?
Simba? Okay, or not Simba.
That one's the friendlier one. Simba's more cautious.
Simba doesn't trust, man. Simba has trust issues.
Yeah, she does.
Slowly but surely, we're gonna be friends.
Simba.
One day, Simba,
Hi,
one
Lily.
day. Guys, say hi to the vlog. Say hi. Simba's like, stop talking to me. Get away from me.